So I've had this for maybe about 2 months, maybe a little more. I actually, oh my gosh, when I got this, I loved it because the pressure that came out of it was amazing. But this is my problem. It makes this squeaking noise. Now, it has been making this squeaking noise ever since I got it. And sometimes it'll go away after a couple minutes, or sometimes it'll last throughout the whole entire shower. And also, I don't know if you can see it, but some of the water is now, some of the little holes are now starting to shoot the water in different directions, like that one and this. And that pisses me off because I feel like I paid a good amount of money for it not to happen. I will say it did take up till maybe like 2-3 weeks ago for it to start shooting out different ways, but the sound has been there the entire time. So if you're somebody who gets migraines or gets a headache really easily from like constant noises like that, I would say don't get this, or maybe it won't happen to you. Maybe we didn't screw this on, but it's, you know, my husband put this on pretty well, but I could feel a difference even like when I was taking a shower, like the water felt a little softer, a little bit better. So that's why I'm a little disappointed with the sound the most. And then secondly, you know, the water shooting out in different ways. But I mean, other than that, I would say try it. And if the same thing happens to you, I would say just return it. But other than that, it was pretty good.
Here. Let me turn the shower on. Yep. So I have to turn the shower head towards the wall, and there's like, I cannot take a shower comfortably. But supposed to work. I tried to put the white rubber tape stuff, plumber's tape, nothing, still leaks. Got good pressure for now, but I know it could be better fixing that leak.
This curtain, this shower head is life. It's beautiful. It works amazing. It looks amazing, and it feels amazing.
Very nice. Easy to install. Thank you, AquaHomeGroup and Amazon. Great product. I love it.